Hi, this is Gary Kay. We're here at ISE 2024 on day 2. We're going to show you a real-time demo of ad hoc collaboration using Microsoft Teams Room and using a Jabra Panicast 50 system for Microsoft Teams Room. Now, of course, this will work with other collaboration systems. I'm here with Cristiano Fumagli, who is the founder of Mago, but we're here in the Jabra booth because of your relationship with Jabra and how powerful their 180-degree camera is.
Yes, the collaboration with Jabra is strong. If it's a big company, they're like a friend. So we found the right dimension to work together with the engineering team and find the best feature integration.
Yeah, and you can see right here when you look at the screen, you can see that this is a Teams Room setup, but you've got some other content on the screen that you don't normally see in a traditional Teams Room, and we're going to explain how that actually works. So if you want more information on this, as we're doing this demo, go to mago.com, and it all starts with this little box right here. What is this box?
Yeah, this is an IoT device connected with HDMI to the ingest of the MTR.
Yeah, so remember every MTR room actually has HDMI as an input. So you put this in as an output to the MTR room, and it gives you IoT capability.
Exactly. So the software is running on this PC unit.
And that gives you the overlay you have on the screen.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then you can start any video conferencing from MTR Experience. So pressing start now is automatically sharing our solution. And now you can screencast. So you have the instruction on the left. So an example, I'm with a Macintosh, but I can use also Miracast, so Windows PC.
Yeah, but we like Mac better.
Yeah, exactly. And tapping the name of the room, it's automatically screen sharing, and I can have side by side thanks
so
to the.
Seeing, you can. We're showing this on the camera that you can see this room here.
Yeah, the name of the room, and now I have a stream thanks to Air server integration, side by side of multiple devices. We can connect multiple devices. Imagine lawyers that.
Yeah, that's using Apple's AirPlay Air server system.
Exactly, and this is their legacy. So if you don't have access to the network, imagine you have a guest, you can absolutely use Mago Link, that is our technology, and you just open any Chrome browser or Chromium, you go to magolink.com, and you have 6-digit code request that you see in
and you can see on the screen the 6-digit code comes up on the screen. As long as you're in the room, you see that code, you then type in the code.
Okay, and then you insert this code in here.
88D88B.
B. Okay, just hit connect, and you are not on the same network. No dongle, no driver to install.
So I can be in North Carolina, this could be in Italy.
Exactly, and when you are in the room, sometimes the lag happens on AirPlay emulated. In this case, I can search YouTube video, an example, Ferrari.
He loves Ferrari. Every time we do a video, it's always about Ferrari.
And the video stream starts on the big screen. And here I have volume control, session control, and the browser in a secure way is opening and streaming my 4K video without lag. Consider that now we are in cellular network.
See, and all this is done wirelessly from wherever the presenter is.
Exactly, everything is wireless. There is no connection between my PC and the endpoint.
Right.
So this is the presentation. So we have 4 methods: wireless with a legacy protocol, Mago Link, and wired, because some people want to use cable.
Yeah.
It's hassle-free.
Yeah, and that's all because of this IoT device, which gives you the input and output capability. But that's not all. That's not the only thing you can do, because you could do some pretty awesome other things, including integrating the whiteboard in the room and also content production. I mean, there's just so much stuff you can do.
Exactly. So the left side is solving the problem of hassle-free wireless and wired presentation. The right side, thanks to the new app, Visits, you can access to your files on OneDrive, and then you can present file and open your application like Office 365 without PowerPoint or Word or Google or 3D files. Just pressing add, you can capture also documents, AR camera, 3D object, and this is for presentation, for avoiding to use the USB key. Workspace is our private whiteboard, so every customer can host in the Azure or Amazon own server for collaboration, because when you capture data, you drag and drop easily in the whiteboard. The question is, where are the data? So
Right.
the data is owned by the end customers. And an example of cool feature, since every meeting room is equipped with digital but also with analogic technology.
There's your whiteboard.
Yeah, we can press plus button and AI capture the dry erase whiteboard or paper. And this whiteboard is sent to the Mago Room Essential as strokes. So it's digital, it's not just a picture. So, and then pressing done, I'm generating strokes on my whiteboard, and this data is on my profile, is not shared with a cloud provider. You see here,
Yeah.
Connect Room. I can jump on 5G network, no need to be on the same network of the meeting.
Yeah, in other words, your cell phone is on just normal 5G.
Exactly. Bluetooth proximity happen, and now I can cancel or add writing to the whiteboard.
So you see that at the same time? Do it again. Do it again here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, so I can write here, or if you have interactive screen, you can continue from remote.
So if I want to write here, it's going to come back here.
Exactly.
Yeah, very
From,
cool.
Yeah,
So you
yeah.
have, so you have two-directional, bidirectional.
Bidirectional.
Yeah, bidirectional.
At the same, then you have 3D or picture. So
Add
Mario,
a picture.
stand here. Look,
We're going to take a picture. of
stand Mario, stand here,
Okay,
please.
Take a picture here.
This is AR camera. We have 2D or 3D scanning.
We're going to 3D scan him, right?
Yes.
All right. So we got a picture. We're doing the 3D scanning here.
This one is 2D scanning.
Oh, 2D scanning. Okay.
3D requires 2 minutes, but I
Okay.
show you. And now this picture is processed by the server,
By the cloud.
by the cloud, and is removing the context. Now we are a limited connection to internet.
That's the way data is. Now, this while this is happening, this is all as a service. Like you can buy this as a service.
When you buy the on-prem server, you have all the features.
Yep.
Now
Try it again. Try it again.
I'm trying again. I switch on 5G. Maybe it's better in this trade show because Wi-Fi is congested.
So instead of working off data, you're going to just work off data.
5G
There you
is
go.
better. You see Mario here. I can confirm, and now it's sent to the whiteboard without the context.
Isn't that cool? This is all real time, right?
Yeah, it's real time. And just a quick preview, because it requires 2 minutes, I show you how I can capture an example in file directly in OneDrive, a 3D scan of Mario. I can press
So people can see what 3D scan looks like. This is going to take a couple minutes of processing, so we're going to ask some other questions while that's going on here. Now, the actual application for this is you've got a car, and you want to scan that car, and you want to work on it as a collaborative team anywhere in the world, right? Or you've got a product that you're prototyping, and you want to show everyone in the world what the product looks like and get feedback on it. You've got a new laptop design. You want to share the physical design elements rather than just a picture of it. That's the advantage of doing a 3D scan. If you can imagine being a car manufacturer and you've got a prototype for a new design of a car, this is a way that you could share that design with anyone anywhere in the world, right? Hold on, let me come over here to you. For the oil and gas,
customers use drone for capturing with photogrammetry,
Yeah.
and we process big areas, in example Middle East, or luxury brand. We designed this feature for luxury brand that want to showcase during Teams call rings or suites. So
so now that we finished our 3D scan of Mario, and now what do we do with it?
yeah, now I can share with Mario and put in mixed reality, phone to phone, or just present in room, scanning the QR code on our visual collaboration.
All we did is scan the QR code on the screen.
Exactly, and now is opening from my OneDrive, no need to save on PC, copy files, and is opening, and here we have a trackpad, so The scanning now is fast.
And you have to imagine that people all around the world are looking at this, right? Remote participants and live participants in the room are looking at what you're about to present.
Exactly. So, and during the Teams call, you can sketch on it, use the Mario in mixed reality, change the color, and so on. So now this scan is just an example, but I want to show you one high definition scanning in.
And this was done on the fly on the show floor, as we just showed you.
Yeah. So, and now with the 4G, so I'm moving the mouse, so I can rotate. So the quality is too fast. Let me show you one high definition scanning. An example, I have workspace, and I show you how we can change color. So the use case of this technology that we use an example for car dealer or luxury brand.
So this is just loading all the objects independent, and the number of objects you have determines the amount of time it takes to load.
Yeah, and the bandwidth here is so horrible, but
Yeah, we are on trade show
network. Yeah, the concept is this one is not interactive screen,
Right.
and now I can use my device, even browser.
Make it interactive.
Exactly, and I can interact even from 5G network in real time during Teams call, and I can change color. An example. Oh, sorry. I can change color of the properties of the object. An example, chassis. I want to put British green. It's live, and then you can press mixed reality and send a stream through Teams remotely. An example, here in the trade show, we want to place this Lotus car here, and this high definition. So this object works already in the Apple Vision Pro. So we already have the SDK. You can rotate.
Yeah, and so you can actually interact with the object.
I can enter also in the car, and I show you a picture on the screen.
Yeah.
Look me.
Okay. He's gonna have me walking around the object here. We'll see how this works. Okay. Look. It's like I'm looking at this car. That's all done in real time on a trade show bandwidth.
Exactly.
So does the software, all the software features, all the collaboration features are included when you buy your IoT device, or do you add features and pay for them as you use them?
You can test all the feature, including the workspace, but you have a limited space on our Azure tenant. But
Okay.
every customer can deploy in their tenant and unlock the limits.
Okay. So if you're on-prem, you can unlock everything. If you want to use your cloud, then you got to pay for storage space.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's the.
Yeah, there you go. All right. So how do we? I'm an integrator and I'm interested in this. How do I contact you?
So we work to the channel. So
Yeah.
you can work with us to the AV channel or system integrator.
Let's say I'm a system integrator and I want to be a dealer for you. I go to mago.com and you have a registration.
Is mago.io. Apply for partnership request. There are silver, gold, and platinum.
So mago.eu.
Mago.io.
IO. Okay, mago.io. 3 different partnership levels. And all this is on their website at mago.io as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So go to mago.io. And we've done a lot of other video demos of this, but this was the most impressive.
Thank you, Gary. So it's
The new software is really impressive. Another feature that you have we didn't even show is the ability to cast your class. If I'm teaching, I can cast my class to students anywhere just by them joining on a browser. That's a neat feature.
yeah, this is MagoCast, so we can install on cloud or on-prem. We offload the network of internet of the school, and then we can have one-to-many, so
Yeah.
0.5 second of latency.
Yeah, and you can actually, that includes not just PowerPoint slides, but also videos too. That's pretty
Exactly.
impressive, and the audio. So if you want more information, go to mago.io. Of course, we're here at ISE 2024, our first demo of day 2 here live, a real-time demo. I hope you enjoyed it. We're here in the Jabra stand. If you want to see all of our 2024 coverage, go to raypubs.com/ISE.